Jai Gurudev. In this video, we are going to discuss the poem Cradle Song. The poem Cradle Song is written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is known as Nightingale of India. This poem is quite and gentle song which is sung to send a child to sleep. In the poem, the poet, who is a mother, is trying to lull her child to sleep. She uses various beautiful images to help the child visualize. Then and ultimately close his eyes. Let's start with the poem. From grove of spice, over field of rice, athwart the lotus stream, I bring for you, aglint with dew, a little aglint with dew, a little lovely dream. In this In this stanza, the poet begins creating imaginations from different beautiful places. According to her, she has brought a little lovely dream with shining and glittering dews in the form of beautiful song for her child from grove, that is group of trees, group of spices, field of rice and stream full of lotus flower, which has mentioned in the first three lines. All these places are quite attractive. The garden of the spices is green, the field of rice is golden, and stream full of lotus flower is pink. These all are sensory images which create a visual effect. Not only the child but also the audience can feel the beauty of these places by reading the poem. Sweet, shut your eyes. The wild fireflies dance through the fairy neem from the poppy bowl. For you I stole a little lovely dream. In this stanza, the poet asks the child to shut his eyes and dream while fireflies. So fireflies is a glowworm which dance to the fairy neem. Neem tree symbolizes as fairy either because it is considered holy and sacred in Hinduism or because it looks like a fairy in the night. The poet then says that she has stolen a little lovely dream from the poppy bowl, whose flower is bright and colorful. In second stanza, shows that the child is lost in the beautiful imaginations created by his mother for him. Dear eyes, good night. In golden light, the stars around you gleam. On you I praise with soft caress a little lovely dream. In this stanza, the child is lost in the imaginations and ultimately gone to sleep. His mother now bids him final good night in golden light, laden with the stars that are gleaming around him. Now, in this stanza, why she have used golden night? Because of the stars in the sky that are gleaming around the child. Three line means that the poet presses her hands gently on him and wishes him to sleep as well as dream well. Summary. In the first stanza, the poet prepares the child dream. The beautiful things she talks about: grove of spice, field of rice and lotus stream. In the second stanza, the child seems to have been lost in the picturesque imagination. In the final stanza, the child goes in to sleep and mother wishes him good night and sweet dream. That is, the poem shows maternal love and care for her child. Rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme means rhythm of rhyme is same. Spice, rice. Stream, dream. You, dew. Means in this stanza, we can see that rhyme scheme is A, A, B, C, C, B. So like that, 6 lines, 3 stanzas are there, and everywhere the same rhyme scheme, that is the A, A, B, C, C, B. Now homework. Write word meanings in the copy, whatever we given here. Write summary of the poem. Who is the speaker in the poem? What is the time in the poem? What is lullaby? What is the mother doing? These all things you have to write in copy.